Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a Crafty collective haul. Excuse the sound in the background running the dishwasher, but let's start off with some Hobby Lobby items. Found these on sale for $1.74, regularly priced at $6.99. I love the cover. Comes with a ribbon closure and it is perfect for your scrapbooking layout. So I'm gonna prepare one for a friend, and the others I will probably be making into cute little photo journals. So those are the three, and I wanted to look at some of their trims. These were 50% off when I went. Love the color teal mint blue, and then we have some of this beautiful polyester trim, another floral with some pearls. These were 50% as well. And I was getting shades of blue and cream, so I found this and love the colors there. And then we have this other one. I don't have this in my set, so I thought this would be great to add to my junk journals and other projects. Now for fabric, I found some of this shiny tulle for 42 cents. And would like to use it maybe for a shaker or junk journal project. And found some floral gauze cozy garden fabric. It was $3.33. Let's take it out and see what the design looks like. I think it's perfect for spring projects. I think this would make a great cover for a pillowcase. So I think I have enough fabric there. And I also found some of this blue satin. This is 100% polyester, $3.59. So again, love the blue, shades of blues colors. Now, the last item I got from Hobby Lobby was this cute little magnet. It had a little bit of a marker here. So I'll probably just use some acetone or alcohol to wipe that off. It says, "All you need is love." It was 29 cents. I thought that was super cute. Next stop was Marshall's, and they had some of these on clearance. This was 50 cents, and I didn't know at the time that it only had one design for the card. I was hoping there would be multiple card designs on it, but can definitely reuse this and create like journal cards. It's a pretty thick card. I can use it for just junk journaling, so I thought that was fun. And couldn't pass up a 50-cent notebook. And these have peach colored pages. I haven't owned any peach colored pages. I thought this would be great for a glue book. This is Radness, and then you have a polka dot ribbon marker. So 50 cents. This is by Ashley Mary is the brand. So I got that. And then next up was Burlington Coat Factory. So Gina Loves to Craft recently posted a haul from there showing that she had found some wonderful paper crafting items. And I had previously found some last year, but what she showed were really beautiful shimmel paper pads. They're so cute. So I was hoping I would find some. Unfortunately, I didn't, but I'll show you what I did find. First item, I just found one of these storage flip tops, and I love these. I put my spices in them, so I thought this was super cute and easy to clean. So I got one of those. And now let me show you the paper pad that I did find from Burlington Coat. The first paper pad that I was able to spot was the Vicky Bouton's 12 by 12 double-sided sheet. It's not very thick, but I thought the sheets in here are really beautiful. They were selling it for $5.99. Let's do a quick flip through. The second 12 by 12 sheet that I was able to find was Slice of Life by Amy Tangerine. They had a Schimmel paper pad, but it wasn't the style I wanted. I think it was a box of crayons. So I went with this one. So this one has 24 sheets, and it says it includes stickers. So here is our sticker sheet, and we'll do a flip through of the paper. And finally went to Ross and found a couple of these Crafty tools. The first one's Fisker Scrapbooking Paper Trimmer. Compared the prices on Amazon, they were selling one for $33. And there's a similar model at Michael's for $31.99. So I thought this was a steal for $6.99. The other Crafty tool was this mini scoreboard. I have the larger one. And since I have a small desk, I think this would be perfect for smaller projects when I make journal pockets, cards, or envelopes. And it was good price. Amazon was selling it for $10.99, so I thought that was a great deal as well. I've seen this in the past in Tuesday morning, but our Tuesday morning has closed. So I'm super happy to have found it at Ross. So hope you guys enjoyed this collective haul. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.